Hi, hello everyone. We'll talk about a new company and we'll relate the stock price and growth of the company to the horoscope of the company. It's a discussion on the corporate horoscope. So the name of the company is Raymond. Raymond काफी पुरानी company है. It's one of an oldest prominent companies in India, and they have a big growth story. They're before Reliance. I mean, way before Reliance. So Reliance was a competitor of Raymond in the past. So basically, let's come down to the horoscope analysis and stock price analysis. How we can relate stock price and horoscope together. So first of all, from the chart, you can see that there are multiple Raja Yoga and Dhani Yogas, the corporate horoscope of the company. So a company having multiple Raja Yogas and Dhani Yogas, it means the company is going to stay for hundreds of years. If I talk about Raymond, almost they've completed a century or maybe more than that. So why, many ventures fail over a period of time? Many startups fail over a period of time, and while many startups they start from very small and they reach to the uh, topmost place of success. So this is all due to the good luck that's there in the horoscope, the energy, the planetary energy that's there in the horoscope of the corporate, whether it's a person's life, it's a person's horoscope, or it's a corporate horoscope. So basically, you see the planet Venus and Saturn, Venus in its own house, Libra Lagna, Venus in its own house, Saturn exalted. Venus and Saturn are friendly to each other and they're placed together. Also, in the third house, Jupiter in its own house, again in its own house, Jupiter. So, see how many planets are well placed. 11th house is fortified. I mean, it's very strong. That means the company will have very good, business expansion, cash flow, and the ability to pay debts. So that is why the company is there for hundreds of years. Now let's relate to the stock price. It all started. It all started from here when the price was only 18 or 22, and now it's the the highest it reached in the year 2024, 792, and then a steep correction from there. It's like a 40%, 45% correction, where I mean from August 2024, 24, almost the entire stock market got corrected. And these things like 2008, there was a global meltdown, so all stocks corrected. So they are, if I compare with the current planetary period, so they are going through. Okay. So almost all periods are good. Almost all periods are good, except this changes in Ketu 2001 to 8. See, I mean, even in this beauty of the chart, you see, Rahu is placed in the 10th house and Ketu is placed in the 4th house. So there was a bit of I got to know from the news that there was a bit of a dispute between father and son, the founder of Raymond and his son. I don't know what's the accuracy of this news, but yes, it all happened here in Ketu in 2000, 2000, in 2000. So the current, CEO, or you can say the owner of the company, Mr. Gautam Singhania, he took over the company. I mean, he became MD of the company. And before the beginning of Ketu. So during the Ketu period, generally, there will be change in the old structure and new things start. So the promoters get changed. There is a chance that the old promoter hands over the business to the new promoter. This happened. And in the Ketu period too, 2001 to 8, there was changes in the company, and that reflected in the share price of the company too. From 2003, it's moving like it moved from 18 to 136. Although the rise was not very exceptional due to the Ketu's energy. Then Venus started in 2008. So basically, we can see that 2007 and 2009. So from here, Venus is placed in the own house and with exalted Saturn. So from there, the journey started. If you take 2009, 8 or 9, uh, it all started from here. Although, I mean, there was a fall, slight fall, but Venus was very good. So that is why the growth, see, the Venus period of 20 years, from 22 to it reached 787. Although, I mean, it took time. Almost it took many years to reach that. And many people don't have that patience to hold stocks. There are people who hold stocks for 10 years, 20 years, but these kind of people are very less. Because earlier there was no technology kind of things where you can easily sell and buy from mobile or from laptop and all that. That's why people used to carry stocks for long. So this is all. And after Venus, Sun is also very good. So this period, basically from 28 to 34, it is also good. So it is all due to the planetary energy and the horoscope of individual or corporate that takes one to success. Thank you, everyone.